What's up guys, welcome to this structural BIM tutorial showing you how to add in the advanced steel extension for Revit 2021. So I'm currently in my Autodesk account and you can see that I've went to the Revit section and then the downloads and then into the updates and add-ons tab. So I've not currently got this installed, so I'm just going to quickly go browser download. It's going to start it. And it will start, and I'm going to save that somewhere on my C drive. So I save everything into an Autodesk folder. I'm going to save that MSI file and let's see how long it takes to download. So it's quickly downloaded. I'm going to click it and let's start the install. So it's telling me it needs more info. I'm going to run it anyway. So now it's going to configure this. I'm going to put in my permissions. And it will hopefully quickly install the add-on. So not too bad, but 15 seconds if that can be accurate and believed. Should be reasonably quick to install. That I think is done. So let's go to the desktop. Interesting, no warning, no finishing screen, no nothing, which is a bit strange and not great from Autodesk. Is it installed? Well, let's check Revit 2021 and we shall see. So it's taken an age, but it seems to have got there. I'm going to jump into this structural model. Let's have a look. So once this model opens, we'll get access to the ribbons at the top. We can then check and see if it's there and if there's anything new. So I've not read the release notes, I've just jumped straight in and installed it. Let's see what's what. So as usual, sometimes when you do add an add in Revit, it just takes a little bit of time to rebuild itself, I think. So it should be under, I would assume, add-ins. You can see now we have the advanced steel extension. Let's select the drop down. So we've got our usual export, import, synchronization, settings and about. Let's click into settings, see if there's anything new. So we've still got the view settings, the grids, and we can ignore the cutbacks, disable the joins, and we've got a little warning here, says missing index file. Press OK to generate it, so it must generate this upon install for the first time. Again, more not responding. I suspect it is just doing stuff in the background. That seems to be it. Let's just have a quick check. Settings, and if that warning now is gone. So I'm just going to export it based upon the view, so the information that's there. I'm going to ignore the beam cutbacks and extensions, disable beam joins. I'm not going to export my grids, so that will set the settings, and then let's see if we can fire this out. So we want to go to the advanced export. I'm currently in the UK, but you can choose other options. And I'm going to click OK, and then it should do its thing. So it saves it out to that. So I'm just going to put that to my desktop. So it saves it as an SMLX file. And again, more screen flickering and not responding, but I think it's all seems to have went pretty smoothly. Yep, and that would be it. So just to check my desktop, that SMLX file should now be there. So we'll just clarify that that is there on the desktop. And there indeed we have the SMLX file. So that's pretty much it. Go to your Autodesk account, click browser download, run the install, give Revit a bit of time to catch up with itself, and happy exporting.